clever fish. Long ago, in a small coastal village, there lived a poor fisherman named Rafik. He went out to the sea every morning with his small wooden boat and net, hoping to catch enough fish to feed his family. Sometimes the sea was kind and his net came up heavy, but many times it was nearly empty. Still, Rafik never lost hope. One sunny morning, after hours of casting his net without success, Rafik finally felt a strong pull. His heart leapt with joy. "At last, this must be a big one," he said, tugging the heavy net. With great effort, he hauled it onto the boat. To his surprise, there was only a single fish inside, but it was no ordinary fish. The fish shimmered in rainbow colors, its scales glowing like jewels in the sunlight. Its eyes sparkled with intelligence, and before Rafik could even touch it, the fish spoke in a clear, gentle voice. "Good fisherman," said the fish, "please do not take me to the market. I am no ordinary catch. I am a clever fish, blessed with the power of speech and thought. If you spare my life and set me free, I promise to reward you with good fortune." Rafik was astonished. A talking fish. He rubbed his eyes, thinking he must be dreaming. But the fish continued, "Kindness will never go unrewarded. Trust me." For a moment, Rafik thought of his hungry family waiting at home. Selling this rare fish in the market could bring him a lot of money. Yet, deep inside, his heart was tender. He believed in kindness and mercy. With a gentle smile, he said, "Very well, little one. I will not harm you. Go back to the sea and live freely." The fisherman carefully lowered the fish into the water. It flicked its tail happily and disappeared beneath the waves. Rafik sighed, wondering if he had made the right choice. He rowed home with an empty boat, worried about what to tell his wife. That night, however, something unusual happened. When Rafik entered his small hut, he found baskets of fresh fish, rice, and vegetables neatly placed at the door. His wife was surprised too. "Where did this come from?" she asked. Rafik could only smile and whisper, "Perhaps the sea has rewarded us." The next day, the same thing happened, and the day after that. Food and supplies kept appearing at their door. The fisherman knew in his heart that it was the clever fish keeping its promise. But word of Rafik's sudden good fortune spread through the village. His neighbor, Karim, who was greedy and selfish, grew suspicious. One evening, he followed Rafik to the shore and hid behind a rock. He waited and watched as Rafik cast his net. After some time, Karim saw the same shimmering fish leap into the boat. He overheard the fish say, "Dear fisherman, how are you today? Do not worry, I will continue to provide for your family." Karim's eyes widened with greed. That night, he stole Rafik's boat and went to the same spot, hoping to catch the magical fish for himself. Indeed, the clever fish appeared once more. But when Karim caught it, he shouted, "Now you belong to me. You will bring me gold and silver every day." The fish looked at him calmly and said, "Greed blinds the heart. If you force me, you will regret it." But Karim only laughed and threw the fish into a bucket. The moment the boat reached the shore, a great storm rose from the sea. Dark clouds gathered, waves crashed, and lightning flashed. The bucket turned over, and the fish leapt back into the water. The storm grew fiercer, tossing Karim's boat upside down. The greedy man had to swim for his life and barely reached the shore. From that day on, he never saw the clever fish again. Meanwhile, Rafik continued to live humbly and gratefully. The fish kept its promise, ensuring that he never went hungry. Whenever he saw the sparkling waves, he whispered a prayer of thanks. And the clever fish, though unseen, always watched from the depths